Hello, this is Wenyao Cheng demonstrating for the Contoso University application. And then here, this is my navigation, and all the pages are working fine. And we can find students by name, say in, and search, and then all the matches records will return. And we can back to the folders. We can open the edit page, detail page, and delete page, and we can actually try to update someone in works. And there's the courses, and for instructors, and select different instructors for courses, and you can see the student enrolled in that class, and then you can see all of the information. And here at the departments, we can also try to edit and look at the detail and delete. And so yeah, everything works just fine. So that's my assignment. Thank you for watching.